This boat is a 2023 Harris 210 Sunliner. It has the Performance Level 2 Tri-Toon package, which includes a full-length center pontoon, and also includes a stainless steel ski tow bar in that package. The color of the fence panel is the new matte blue with the black matte accents. The fence rails and the bimini top rails are black powder coat. The engine is the Mercury 150 horsepower 4-stroke, which incorporates a hydraulic steering system. The boat has the extended swim platform too. This boat has the electric powered 10-foot bimini top on the black frame with black canvas. A full-length mooring cover is included, which is also black canvas. Looking at the interior, the floor plan is the center walkthrough, which is nice because it provides facing seats in the aft section of the boat. All the seats have a dual cup holder console with USB charging ports. The boat also has a wireless charger on top of the helm console. The options include the Tech 1 package, which includes a stereo upgrade, the Simrad 7-inch Chartplotter and Sonar, and their RGB red, green, blue interior lighting package. It also has the convenience package, which includes the upgraded steering wheel. The table is also upgraded to acrylic, and it has the quick release fender systems with 8-inch fenders. A dual battery switch is included, and we include the 2 batteries. This boat is at Lake Hopatcong MarineMax and can be seen. Lake Hopatcong MarineMax is just a few miles from Interstate 80. I'm Larry. I hope you have time to come up and see the boat. Thank you.